Welcome to Techtopia X, where we genuinely test, review, and break down products to help you spend smarter, not harder. The product link is in description. If you've been looking for a compact camera that delivers professional-looking video without carrying around a bulky setup, the Xtra Muse with mini tripod combo is definitely worth checking out. It combines a large 1-inch CMOS sensor, impressive 4K video recording at up to 120 frames per second, and a built-in 3-axis mechanical gimbal inside a pocket-sized body that's ready to travel anywhere. So, is this product really worth buying? What do these specifications actually mean in everyday use? And why is it becoming such a popular option for creators? Let's start with the camera sensor. The Xtra Muse features a 1-inch CMOS sensor, which is significantly larger than the sensors found in most smartphones. That means it captures more light, producing sharper images, richer colors, cleaner low-light footage, and a more natural background blur. Whether you're filming indoors, outdoors, or during golden hour, the footage has a polished, cinematic look. Video performance is another major highlight. The camera records in 4K resolution at up to 120 frames per second. That high frame rate lets you create incredibly smooth slow-motion videos while maintaining excellent detail. Whether you're recording travel adventures, sports, family moments, or creative cinematic shots, the extra frames provide plenty of flexibility during editing. Keeping everything stable is the built-in 3-axis mechanical gimbal. Unlike electronic stabilization that crops the image, this mechanical system physically compensates for movement, resulting in smooth walking shots, steady pans, and professional-looking handheld footage. It's especially useful for vloggers who want polished footage without carrying additional stabilizing equipment. Fast focusing helps the camera quickly lock onto subjects, making it easier to capture moving people, pets, or action scenes. AI subject tracking keeps your subject centered while you're moving, allowing solo creators to film themselves with less effort. The included mini tripod makes content creation even more convenient. Set it on a desk for product reviews. Use it for hands-free vlogging, live streams, video calls, or stable time-lapse recordings. Since it's included in the combo, you're ready to start creating right out of the box. The 2-inch touchscreen offers simple navigation and quick adjustments, while native vertical shooting makes creating content for TikTok, Instagram Reels, and YouTube Shorts incredibly easy without extra cropping. For creators who enjoy color grading, the camera supports 10-bit X-Log recording, preserving more color information and dynamic range for professional editing workflows. If you prefer quick uploads, standard color profiles also produce vibrant footage with minimal editing. Storage is flexible thanks to support for microSD cards up to 512 GB, giving you plenty of space for extended recording sessions. Fast charging minimizes downtime, while battery life can reach up to approximately 161 minutes under typical laboratory recording conditions, making it suitable for longer shoots. It also supports Wi-Fi connectivity for live streaming and quick wireless file transfers. Overall, the Xtra Muse with mini tripod combo delivers an impressive combination of image quality, smooth stabilization, high-resolution slow-motion recording, and creator-friendly features in a compact design that's easy to carry anywhere. Whether you're just starting YouTube, creating travel videos, or producing professional social media content, it offers a versatile filming experience that fits right into your pocket. Thanks for watching Techtopia X. The product link is in description. If you found this helpful, please like the video, subscribe to the channel, and I'll see you in the next one.